Hey guys, so in this new case study, I'm going to show you a pretty cool product that I found on AliExpress related to cell phone covers niche. This was one actually pretty cool. It was basically a cover for the iPhone, but that can hold 2-3 credit cards at the same time. I figured many people would love this product, so I tried to sell it, and from the 150 units that I ordered, I ended up selling 91 so far, but I'm still running it. This was the product right here, and look, it's really cool. Like, it's basically, yeah, like it can hold like 2-3 credit cards at the same time. So as you can see, like the cost was dirt cheap, like from the $5 a piece, $2.59, and I priced them at $19.99 each, and it was pretty successful. Like cell phone covers, it's actually a pretty good niche to get into, so you might want to give it a try on AliExpress. By the way, you just type like cell phone cover, iPhone covers, anything, and just have a look at all the different, covers that you can find. Even this one is pretty cool, but really expensive. You want to find like, very cheap ones. So yeah, just have a look around. But anyway, so now I want to show you the ad that I ran pretty quickly. Here it is. I created an ad set, which I appropriately enough called iPhone luxury cover, because this cover was kind of, it had the the luxury theme. So I budgeted $10 per day for my ad spend, and then once it turned to be pretty successful, I just scaled. This is the ad campaign that I ran for the iPhone cover product. This was my Facebook ad. The ad set, the results for the ad set campaign was post engagements 34,532, reach 51,142, CDR very high, 8.452%, frequency 133, impressions 1,061, 212, total ad spend. I spent $563 for this campaign. Cost per click was 7%, and the item sold 91. The ad copy for the iPhone cover was pretty simple. Like, are you looking for a luxury cover that holds up to 3 credit cards at the same time? Then get yours here. Insert your link here. Limited quantities. Tag someone you know that will love this. My final ad was the audience size that I came up with was 320,000 living in the United States. Interest: iPhone, Apple, iPhone 7, etc. This were all my interests. iPhone everything. Age 18-45. Placements on newsfeed on mobile devices. Ad spend for this campaign was 563, and the revenue from this campaign was 1,819. So the total profit, yeah, because I sold 91 copies. So the total profit was 1,255.38.